Hey guys, me and my family went to the Westborough Public Library. Here we're making slime. My brother chose purple, I chose pink. We mixed it in the glue. And then I got to add some baking soda. Then you have to add activator to make it stretchy. And the baking soda to rise up. For some reason, my brother's turned out way stretchier than mine, even though I mixed it better than him. Probably because he had more activator. See, it stretches all the way up. I had to help him get it out, and then my mom had to help me get it out of my hands. Here, my brother's playing with blocks. He's really good at building. He loves to build. And he loves to especially knock them down. Over here, we're making a bridge out of Legos. And when you're done with the bridge, you have to weigh the books and see how many there can go. So I got 3 or 4 books on top. Then I got to weigh more to see if it would still stand. I got 8 or more books on top. Here is camouflage the butterflies. You color them and hide them in 3 shelves. Then the hunter comes and starts looking for them. Here is paper constellations. You draw dots and then you poke holes in them and you can name them. Next to that is candy constellation. You can make buildings or just constellations with toothpicks and the dot gummies and candies. I made a house with a person on top, as you can see.
But it's another planet.
Here is trivia. The questions were easy for me.
Yes, you're right. So the hottest planet is Venus.
Your nose.
Third question is,
How many bones are in the human
which
body?
direction does the sun rise? This is an easy one.
Yeah.
I got this from the last one.
Directions, right? Which one does the sun rise? You're right. Question: which is the largest animal on our planet? More bigger?
Then a humpback whale. Or it could just be a whale.
Wow, she's special.
Yes.
That's great. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. So you guys can have your lollipops now.
Then my brother got a henna star, and I got a different design for me. In my language, we call it mehendi. And my language is Telugu. Here, for starters, my brother got a basketball since it was his first time. And he stayed still really well for his first time. I got a butterflies for my face painting, because it was also simple. And then you have little dots.
Forward? No, not there.
Here,
And
we went to pin the atom. I was really close to getting it. If I put it a little more higher, I could have, won.
wow, look at that.
But I was really close, which was beginner's luck. Here is Marshmallow Madness. You make a little building or shape out of marshmallows. Then you can add it to the collection. Here is Build a Boat, Sink or Float. Everyone else made the same type of boat because it was written in the instructions. But I made my own type of boat. And then I put pennies in it. So gotta put the sides out to make sure more coins can fit. And then you put it in the water and put the pennies in. I got 32, but I could have gotten somewhere near 40 if I didn't get a little penny accident with my family. So my brother did not get the idea. He tried putting them in my boat, and then I stopped him, and then he just started putting them in the water. Here is the ice cream. You shake it up. If you want toppings, you get a bar, and that was my fun time at the library science fest.